Alright, example 10, find the limit. We have the limit of the function sine 4x over x as x goes to 0. So for this one, we are going to let u equal 4x, and then notice as x goes to 0, so as x would go to 0 here, then u would go to 0. Okay? Now that I have this information, I'm going to substitute it into this information. Alright, so I've got the limit of sine 4x, we let that equal u. Okay. And then this would be u goes to 0. And then x, if you look at this one here, we've got 4x equals u. If you solve for x, you get u over 4. So right here, we have u over 4. Okay? Then what you can do, you can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. So we'd have the limit of 4 times sine u all over u as u goes to 0. And then this 4 here, since it's a constant, it doesn't really matter what u is approaching. That's going to stay 4. So I can factor the 4 out in front of the limit. So I have the limit of sine of u over u as u approaches 0. This should be a familiar limit. We know that that is equal to 1, and 4 times 1 is 4.